This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Gary, it's lunchtime! Oh, hello guys. I'm bringing some food for our Gary. You remember Gary, right? He's our pet snail. Links to videos about him are in the description.
Hello guys, today's an important day for Gary.
He's moving, so he needs to refresh himself.
Right. Eat, buddy. Come on, Sammy, we should get started with the house.
Let's go!
Guys, check out this cool house Gary's gonna have.
Well, his old house is not bad either. We made it with love.
Of course, Sammy, but Gary's gonna have a guest, so he needs a bigger house.
A guest? Oh, I didn't know. Who?
You'll see when he comes.
Oh, I can't wait. We need to prepare some treats and different stuff and...
Calm down, Sammy.
Oh.
We've got everything. We just need to arrange things.
So, tell me what to do.
Bring decor for the back wall.
Aye, ma'am. New guest. Guys, who do you think it'll be? Write your ideas in the comments.
This house has sliding walls. While here and here we have a net to let a lot of air inside.
So, I found this new decor. It's almost like in Peter's new terrarium.
Cool. We only need to cut it to the proper size.
Here's the tool.
Thanks.
Just don't break it. We don't have another one.
Ah, Sammy, what a good opinion you have of me.
Oopsie. Sorry, Sue. I just worry for Gary.
It'll be all right, Sammy. You'll see.
I'm gonna check on Gary. Everything all right? Chewing again? Huh, what a good appetite. You do need energy for moving and meeting guests. Look, Sue, I brought some plants.
Oh, perfect, Sammy. Let's put the plants into the terrarium.
Huh.
What's wrong?
I'm just trying to assess this terrarium as a great decorator, not as Gary's friend.
So, what do you say?
I approve.
Oh, I'm glad.
Wait, Sue, what did you place under the terrarium, eh?
Oh, it's a heating mat, so Gary and his friend will stay warm.
Is his friend a warmth lover too?
Well, no one really likes being cold.
This is so true.
Also, Gary needs bowls for food and water.
A moment. Here.
Sammy, did you take Fluffy's bowls?
No, what made you think so?
Oh, Sammy, I brought some special containers for Gary and his friend. Look, aren't they awesome?
Oh, Fluffy will be envious.
Well, Fluffy has an automatic feeder, so why should he be envious?
Oh, is the house ready? Is it ready? I'm gonna bring the yummies. Hey, Gary, did you pack? It's time to move to your new house and get ready to meet guests.
Gary always brings his things with him. Here's your new house, buddy.
I brought special cookies for Gary and his guest. I hope they'll like it.
No doubt, Sammy. And here's the guest. Look, he's so cool.
Whoa, a snail friend for Gary! I'm so happy for him now he won't feel alone.
Guys, we'll need your help with the name as usual. What should we call Gary's friend?
Write your suggestions in the comments.
Subscribe to our channel not to miss new videos with our pets.
Bye-bye.
Is a painted cardboard roll tube, wrapped in black stripes and finished with paper wings and antennae. For this, you'll need yellow paint, a small cardboard roll, glue, black paper, light blue paper, and googly eyes. First, paint a small cardboard tube yellow. Stick 2 long strips of black card around the bottom of the tube, and then 2 shorter pieces of card inside at the top. Fold a rectangle-shaped piece of blue paper in half. Then draw a circle with a small rectangle underneath. It looks a bit like a tree. Starting at the folded edge, cut it out. These are our wings. I've stuck the wings onto the back of our tube and drawn a smile. And now I'm going to stick on some googly eyes to finish. All done. It's a busy, buzzy bee.
Chef Thorne, look! The first mini cherry of spring!
Joy! Now keep picking, Bucky. We need a lot more for the fresh fruit slushies.
Joy indeed. Whatever a fresh fruit slushie is, I want one.
Here are the plans I've drawn up for the butterfly pageant. I thought we could set up the contest stage here, and Thorne's big slushy fountain will be here.
Time out, Rose. A big slushy fountain? That sounds very dangerous.
Not dangerous, Thistle. Delicious.
Did anyone else hear that?
Can we get back to discussing the butterfly pageant, please? It's my favorite event of the season. Gesundheit! And this year we're going to host the caterpillars in our own homes.
Hold on, Lilac. I think there is a monster hiding in the bushes. Oh, it's just Ellery. What were you doing in there?
Searching for my eyeglasses. Not important. What were you all talking about just now?
Wait, you don't wear eyeglasses.
Good point. Back to this very interesting thing you were discussing.
You mean the annual butterfly pageant where fuzzy caterpillars turn into gorgeous butterflies?
No. Something to do with Thorne?
The big slushy fountain?
That one. Imagine a whole fountain of these slushy drinks. I'm off. Enjoy your caterpillars.
The stage is perfect for the butterfly pageant. We just need to set up a music system.
Got it, Rose.
Thank you, boss. We'll patrol the park and let you know when the hummingbird bus is on its way. Spearmint, let's ride.
Steady, Bucky, steady.
Not a drop spilled. Nice work, everyone. Shouldn't be long now.
Hello, my furry friend. What's this odd-looking contraption?
Hiya, Ellery. This is Chef Thorne's big slushy fountain, cherry flavor.
Cherries, such a boring fruit.
You can't fool me, Chipmunk. You're here to sneak a slushie. Well, forget it. This is for the butterfly pageant.
Pageant. That's all you lilybuds ever talk about. I don't even like slushies, whatever they are.
He's up to something. Bucky, we're not leaving this fountain until the pageant is over.
But that's not until tomorrow.
Then we better get comfortable.
Awesome!
It's here! The hummingbird bus is finally here!
Ladies and gentlemen, please prepare for landing. It's a warm, sunny day in Lilybud Village. We hope you had a pleasant flight on the Hummingbird Bus.
Welcome to Lilybird Village. We'll be hosting you, Miss Vanessa. The Vanessa. Oh, you're honored to meet me, I'm sure. No, definitely not. She'll do. I'll stay with this one. You will? I mean, thank you, Vanessa, but the Vanessa, your honor.
Hello, everyone. I'm Claw. It seems I'm all legs these days.
Oh, I'm Thistle. Let me help you.
Do you happen to have an ice pack?
Yes, in 6 different colors. I think
I'm Penelope. Pleased to meet you all.
I'm Rose. Why don't you stay with me? My house is small but cozy.
Thank you. That sounds perfect.
We thought you'd all like to rest a little after your journey, and then we'll meet back here later. Here's my house. Take it nice and slow. Just a few more steps. Oh, watch out for that root. Don't worry, Claude. I have lots more bandages inside. Over here. No, here. Scrub harder. Never mind. Turning into a prune. Towel.
Oh, right here. Nice and soft and lilac scented. Presenting the Vanessa. Vanessa needs so much attention, I barely have time to sit down.
Well, Claude's a walking disaster. I've even run out of bandages. Me.
I guess I got lucky. Penelope and I had so much fun. We sure did. We picked petunias and played ping pong.
Hello, I'm here. Let's start.
Thank you, Vanessa. Greetings, everyone. It's time to rehearse for the pageant. Moss?
Don't mention it. Constant praise can be so boring.
Yay! I see what you mean, Rose. Penelope's wonderful. What do you think you're doing?
Working it my way.
Well, you can stop that right now. You don't belong in this pageant.
I know I'm a bit plain, but...
No buts. Go along quietly. I think that's enough rehearsal for tonight. Where's my girl? I need a foot massage. All 6 of them.
Butterfly pageant.
Penelope, is something wrong? Are you crying? Vanessa proposed that I not participate in the pageant because of my appearance. Perhaps she's right.
I can't believe Vanessa said that to Penelope.
I can. That caterpillar is mean.
If only there was something we could say to make Penelope feel better.
Oh! Penelope, there are some people out here with something to say to you.
You're funny and talented, and take it from me, graceful. Thistle's right, and I think it's wonderful the way your teeth stick out so randomly.
I like the way you dance. It's so, awkward.
Believe me, it's what's inside that counts.
Lilac, my fuzz isn't going to comb itself.
Penelope, I think you're peachy.
Okay, I'll participate. It's time to say goodbye to our caterpillar friends as they spin their cocoons to become butterflies.
Tummy hurts bad.
Sorry, Ellery, but that's what you get for taking what's not yours. Come on, Buggy. I've got more slushy at the Buttercup.
The cocoons are opening! Everyone, wake up!
Oh, here comes Claude. Hey, everybody. Yay! Look, now it's Vanessa.
Polite clapping? I mean, where's the gasping, the oohing, and awing?
Look, Penelope!
Cheers, applause!
Penelope, look at yourself.
Whoa, that's me? What happened to my gorgeous looks?
Anybody want a fresh fruit slushy?
Would you lend me one of your towels? I want to wrap myself in one and hide. I'm so plain. No one's going to want to be seen with me.
You don't need to do that. Beauty is on the inside, too, you know. And I bet Penelope can teach you a thing or two about that. Go on, join them. You're a butterfly. This is your pageant.
Thank you, Lilac.
Oh, I'm exhausted.
Never again.
Wasn't that amazing? I can't wait for next year's pageant.
Huh?